So at this point we know almost everything there's to know about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. We know their specs, we know how they look even in real life, although we have yet to see the Z Fold 4, which hopefully I'll be able to share soon exclusively for you guys, and we even know details about the Unpacked event which will take place on August 10th, and with the release date on 26th of August. What we don't know is the price, but we have a new report from a reputed South Korean publication that spills some good about the new 4th Gen foldables. News reports that Samsung is expecting the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 to perform exceptionally well in terms of sales. In fact, Samsung has set a target of 15 million foldable phone shipments for the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 combined, which is double that of the Z Fold 3 and Flip 3, which sold just a little over 7 million shipments together. Not only that, Samsung wants the sale of the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 to be almost equal. I mean in Q1 of 2022, out of 2.2 million foldable phone shipments, the Z Flip 3 captured 51% of the market, while the Z Fold 3 had just a 20% share. So Samsung wants to bring that to 50-50 with the 4th Gen foldables. Now the fact that Samsung wants to double its sales could only mean one thing: lower prices. You see, the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 will see iterative upgrades this year, and any wise person could tell that you can't double the sales while offering iterative upgrades unless you reduce the price to make it more appealing. And it looks like that's exactly what Samsung is doing. We don't have info about the exact prices just yet, but rest assured I'll keep you posted. Anyway, the Z Fold 4 has also appeared in Geekbench, and there's a massive difference in performance numbers compared to the S22 Ultra. There's a 10 to 15% increase in numbers, which is in line with what Qualcomm said, but I'm more interested in finding out the battery life difference because Qualcomm said the new chipset is 30% more efficient than the 8 Gen 1, and the fact that these two chipsets have been released in the same year makes this difference even more surprising. Basically, this means you will surely see some real-world performance and battery gains with the Z Fold 4 compared to the S22 Ultra. Moving on, we knew that the EU has made a law to make the USB-C charging port a mandatory standard starting in 2024. And now the US is following suit. The US Commerce Department will adopt a similar policy by passing new legislation that requires every company to include a common charging port across all mobile devices. I guess Apple got the memo early, and Bloomberg has already reported that starting with the iPhone 15, Apple will finally switch to USB-C charging standard. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.